Does the structure of society that we live in today really allows for women to function and to exist in the same way as men do? Or the structure of society is an inhibitor in women's growth and development, even if they become, no matter how much educated, even if they become, no matter how much talent they possess? Is the structure of society an inhibitor? Were the societies in ancient times, the hunter-gatherer societies, were they more of an enabler in women's growth and development? And is the society of modern day, specifically our own country, India, is it some sort of, the structure of society is a sort of a hindrance to women's growth and development and the availability of opportunities they have in comparison, obviously, to the other gender, which is men? So I would like to initiate a discussion on this, on the structure of society, an enabler or a sort of like creating a hindrance type. So today we would like to discuss on this topic. Views are welcome. If the basic purpose of discussion on this topic is if something substantial really comes out, that the structure of society is really creating a hindrance in women's growth and development in par with men, or otherwise as well, in their own growth and development generally. So we can suggest to the government some specific policies and reforms that can, if not change the structure of society, the change cannot be brought overnight, probably enable women to enjoy more of an environment in which their growth and development is enabled, and they feel safe and are able to fully function and exist with happiness, health, and safety. Thank you.